Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT on iPhone. So OpenAI platform offered multiple apps that can serve the AI and give you like huge experience on the AI in general. So one of them is the Chat On app, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. If you want to compose lyrics in style of the Beatles, and you can see right here there's a side of education if you want to check your knowledge of English, or social or summary text from photos. And you can scroll down for a little bit and you're gonna see right here, ask for advice, what are some good Christmas gifts. And there is a section which is like good, like a funny section which is have a fun, which is the OpenAI like give you a joke and see if you laughed or not. And this is write and edit if you are a writer or something, and it says right here create one page essay on the Great Gatsby. And if you want to like fill a summary or essay, this is the place that can help you help you with your homeworks if you are a student. And here you're gonna see the improve health if you are like a workout kind of person, and it says right here how many hours of sleep does an average person need. And here you're gonna see the explain and clarify, and you're gonna see the multiple stuff, even the play games section. So if you want to ask an AI to write you like, you can ask AI anything. Actually, you can ask him for a report, you can ask him for cover letter if you are submitting a job. So you can basically ask him anything and he will answer you like a normal person and give you the the straight point answer. So it's really good app that you can use to help you manage or help you with your stuff that you are facing. And here you're gonna see the internet, the reading, if you are a writer, or if you are like a health person, or if you are like a youth and you want to understand about youth or Gen Z. And here you're gonna see if you want to summarize your tweet or boost your TikTok views with appealing captions. And here it's like a huge platform that you can use, and even for a personal or emotional section, which is if you want to ask your date to like for a coffee. Let's say for example I want to ask my date for a coffee, and I'm gonna enter her name is Amy, all right, and he gonna answer me with a letter that I can send to Amy, all right, to invite her for a cup of coffee. So it's really crazy, and at the same time very elegant to have this AI give you the right letter that you can send to your partner to offer him, like maybe even you can even ask him or her for a date. So you can start a conversation and say I want to ask you on a date. No, actually chat AI allows you to give you the proper question that you can ask your partner to invite him to dating. So it's really crazy. At the same time, like you can see multiple stuff. And here if you are a student and if you want to write an essay or you're facing a problem, this section is actually gonna help you well. But as you can see right here, it's needed to be updated, sorry, not to be updated, it's needed to be subscribed weekly if you want, or yearly, to allow this feature to be accessed to. So you're gonna see multiple stuff right here, and it's limited for if you are not subscribed to it. So basically you're gonna see all the features that you need. An AI covers all of the features that you need in your daily life. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.